Hey everybody, in this example we are looking at y to the fourth power all being raised to the third power. If you are quick and you know your rules by heart and you're super confident, you're just going to jump in right, y to the 12th power. If you need a little bit more confidence in your own answer than that, maybe you think about this. Anything to the third power is that thing times itself 3 times, right? So it's really y to the fourth times y to the fourth times y to the fourth. Try to make your 4's and your y's look a little different. Then from there, well, anything to the fourth power is times itself 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and you get the drift, right? So another 1, 2, 3, 4, and another 1, 2, 3, 4. And what's going on here? We should be adding our invisible exponents of 1, and we'll have 12 of them. Y to the 12th power. That is the end of that. There is something called power of power and power to a power. This situation is called a power of a power. If we had an example that I just called a power to a power, that would be a situation where you have y raised to 4, which is being raised to the third. You would not have exponents on, you would not have parentheses on that. That would just be y to the fourth to the third, no parentheses. Again, that's called a power to a power. This is called a power of a power. Think of that as compositions of functions if you've covered that material already. That's where you kind of plop one function inside of another function. So in this case, we multiply. Again, if it was power to a power, you would do 4 to the third, 64, and your final answer in that event would be y to the 64. This, however, is a beautiful little y to the 12th. I hope that little bonus lesson in there was worth your while and that you could correct somebody one day. Power of a power versus power to a power. You're welcome. And next example will pop up on a thumbnail on the screen, and so will the playlist. You'll see me in the next video. Adios.